right, Chapter 3, Section 3 is the elasticity of demand. Um, Super easy concepts to understand, just pay attention. Um, how do consumers respond to price changes? So, when we talk about elasticity of demand, this is measuring how buyers will cut back or increase the items that they keep wanting to buy when the price rises or falls. So typically, if you buy something all the time and the price is only increasing by 50 cents, you're going to keep buying that product probably because it's only 50 cents. But if that product starts increasing by like $2 or $3, you're not going to purchase it anymore because now it's not really interesting you because you're spending more money on it when it wasn't worth that much in the beginning. Um, Now, if you start buying a product because the price is decreasing on it, that demand could become higher. So if it starts out at $5 and then it slowly drops to 50 cents every month, um, you could probably buy more of that because the demand's going to be higher for something when the price is falling compared to if the price is rising drastically. Okay, so elasticity of demand. Your notes are going to be different this time because you're not really with me to fill them out in person. So I'm just going to go back to the old way, but I'm not going to have screens showing highlighting. So those notes are just there for your reference. This section's super small. So if you want to print them off, you can. If not, you can have them pulled up. It doesn't matter. So whenever you look at the elasticity of demand, your elasticity can be inelastic or it can be elastic. So, when the demand is inelastic, this is when the price of a good increases. Um, when the price of a good increases, it equals inelasticity because the consumer can still be buying the same amount or just a little less of the good depending on how much the price increased. So, for example, if you buy Dove shampoo all the time and it's $4 a bottle and it only raises its price to $4.50, you're probably still going to buy that good. Or if you buy that shampoo and it raises to $6 a bottle, um, you might buy that good sometimes, but you're not going to keep buying it every time you need shampoo because $6 for a bottle of shampoo is kind of crazy sometimes. So that's how it's inelastic. It's when you keep buying a good, maybe sometimes you buy it less when the price increases. Now, when the price is elastic, that's when the consumer buys much less of a good because there's a small price increase for um, the demand of the good. So this is when you're increasing the price of a good to like $3 or $4, and that's just too much. Okay, so you're not going to pay $3 or $4 more for a candy bar whenever a candy bar is maybe almost $1 or $1.25 at most. I mean, I'm not going to do that. So those are the differences between elastic and inelastic. Um, when you're finding the elasticity of demand, um, you have to calculate this stuff. So I'm going to stop sharing this video and I'm going to start a part 2 so it doesn't cut me off.